Create yourself in a seat that has you feel both empowered and relaxed. Let your body settle into stillness. If it would feel good, you could look to one spot on the floor or let your eyes close all the way down. Take a full breath in. And like you're blowing through a straw, slowly exhale. Do that 2 more times in through the nose. Like you're blowing through a straw. One more inhale. Slowly exhale. If that breathing pattern feels good, you're welcome to continue it or settle back into your normal natural breathing. Let's remember the practice of Ahimsa, the practice of nonviolence. Also, the practice of self-love. Also, the practice of loving kindness towards others. Not just in action, but in thought, in speech. You can check in with yourself. Is there any tension? Maybe holding on to any inner criticism or judgment. And on your next inhale, imagine breathing in softness. And breathe out compassion. One more time, inhale softness for yourself and others. And compassion for yourself and others. Bring to mind Satya, truthfulness. Bring to mind any area of your life where you might benefit from being more truthful with yourself or someone else. This time, inhale clarity. And exhale inner knowing. Inhale, invite in clarity. And exhale inner knowing. You could say to yourself, I meet myself and others with kindness. I speak and live from my truth. I meet myself and others with kindness. I speak and live from my truth. Let this be your anchor for today. Truth spoken with love is an act of ahimsa, nonviolence. Truth spoken with love. Another breath here. Inhale deeply. Open mouth, exhale. And you're going to touch your palms together at the center of your chest, Anjali Mudra. And clearing breath, and inhale. Open mouth. Put your thumbs to the middle of your forehead. May all beings everywhere be blessed with happiness and freedom. May the thoughts, words, and actions of our own lives contribute to that happiness and freedom for all. We bow forward in gratitude for this practice that came to us from India and brought us together today. Thank you.